Greetings everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss. It's how to invest in the stock market for beginners. So investing in the stock market can seem intimidating, but fear not. By the end of this video, you have a solid understanding of how to get started on your investing journey. So let's dive in right into it. Please subscribe to this channel and please toggle on the notification bell in order not to miss any episode. So the first thing you need to do is you have to understand the basics of the stock market. Before you begin investing, it's crucial to comprehend some fundamental concepts the stock market. So some fundamental concepts. So the stock market is a place where individuals and businesses buy and sell shares of publicly listed company. This share represents ownership in the company, and their prices fluctuate based on market demand and supply. There are two key stock market exchange, the New York Stock Exchange and the Nasdaq. So familiarize yourself with these terms to navigate the investing world. So second, you have to define your financial goals. One of the first steps toward investing in the stock market is getting clear financial goals. So ask yourself, what are you investing for? Is it retirement, buying a house, or creating a passive income stream? Identifying your objectives will help you determine the amount of risk you are willing to take and your investment time frame. Number three is you have to understand risk and the reward. So when investing in stock, any asset, it's essential to grasp the concept of risk versus reward. So higher returns often come with higher risks. So blue chip stocks, large and well established companies, carry lower risk to smaller riskier companies, but be mindful of your risk tolerance and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The number four thing is research. You have to Education and research are vital aspects of successful investing. So begin by diving into company financials, news, and understanding the factors that affect their stocks prices. Use reputable sources and tools like financial statement and analyst report to assess the health and potentials of the companies you are interested in. Remember, knowledge is power in the stock market. Then you have to now diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. This phrase perfectly sums up the importance of diversification by spreading your investments across different companies and sectors. So you reduce the risk of losing all your capital due to a single investment. So this can be achieved by investing in mutual funds, exchange traded funds, ETFs, or building your own diversified portfolio. Number six is start small with index fund or ETFs. For beginners, a great way to dip your toe into the stock market is through index funds or ETFs. So these funds represent a collection of stocks from various companies that match a specific market index, like the S&P 500. Investing in these funds allow beginners to gain exposure to the broader market without needing to pick individual stocks. Then the seventh thing you need to do is you need to set up a brokerage account. So to start investing, you need a brokerage account. Research different brokerage firms and choose one that aligns with your needs. Ensure they offer a user-friendly platform, competitive fees, and access to a wide range of investment options. So follow the account opening process and fund your account to get started. Then number eight is take a long-term approach. Investing in the stock market is not a get-rich-quick scheme, definitely. Successful investors typically adopt a long-term approach by staying invested for many years, allowing time for their investment to grow, avoiding making emotional decisions based on short-term market volatility, and focus on the long-term potential of your investment. And there you have it. So folks, our this is our guide on how to invest in the stock markets for beginners. Remember, investing in stocks requires patience, research, and willingness to learn. So by following these steps and staying disciplines, you'll be on your way to building a successful investment portfolio. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. My name is Usman. Till next time again, happy investing.